Hello everybody, today we will do an experiment in which we can easily learn about the genus of canary. This method depends on this tool and it is represented by a copper piece attached to a thread. So, I will get the canary where we bring this instrument closer to the genital organ of the canary. If it moves in the movement of going and forth, it's a male, like we see with me. It's a male canary. It's move of going and forth. So we will get the other canary. I will repeat the same experiment. In this case, the movement of the instrument, it's in a circle movement. So it's a female. It's moved to a circle movement. It's a female. So in the last, we hope that you subscribe to my channel. In the end, I hope a nice day to you. Goodbye.